Hey everyone, this is Arun and I'm back with another video. So today in this video, I am here to provide the solution of this question. Bearland Manufacturing produces 4 different types of wood paneling, and each type of paneling is made by gluing and pressing together a different mixture of pine and oak chips. So this is the question, which is 3 parts, and they have provided one tabular format as well. And in the 3 parts, we need to provide the formulate an LP model for this problem. Then part B, which we need to create the spreadsheet model for this problem and solve it using solver. Then and again in the part C, where we have to provide the optimal solution. So let me show you the Excel. So I already solved it using Excel solver. Here it is. So this one is the problem formulation, and then this one is our answer report 1. This is derived using Excel solver, and this one is our sensitivity report. This is again I derived from Excel solver, and this one is our part B, which is spreadsheet model, and part C as well for optimal solution. So to get this video, to get this file, just reach me out on my WhatsApp or my email address, which I will be sharing in the description part of this video. And if you require more solutions from this book, that is modeling and decision analysis, so you can just reach me out for that as well. Currently, I've solved many questions of this textbook, and you can just reach me out. So thanks for watching this video and have a good day. Take care. Bye.